I'm Brandy McKenzie, and today I'm going to show you how to do the chalkboard technique with rubber stamps. Today we're going to use a Stampin' Up! Stamp set called Playful Petals. And what you want to do is you want a black piece of paper, and how I'm going to do this is use a Whisper White craft ink, and that will attract the chalks that we're going to use. And you want to use white just so you can see where the image is on your black piece of cardstock. Okay, I'm going to ink up my image with white craft ink. And then I just kind of look down and to see a general position. It doesn't really matter. And then you just push down. And there's your stamped image. All right. And what we're going to do now is we're going to take our chalk and my little stylus looking deal here. All right, I'm going to use my stylus and I'm going to pick up the yellow, some of my yellow chalk, and color in the center of my flower here. All right, and then I want to shade going out, and so I'm going to use another, almost a flower color here. It looks kind of like a little peachy. And just go in a circle around it and color it in, making sure that the area has all the white craft ink covered. And then I'm going to use my darker color on the outside of chalk. And that's how you color in your white craft inked image. All right, now what we need to do is take a microfiber, or you can use a Swiffer towel, something that's going to pick up the chalk, and now we just wipe. You might have to change because, see, you get some ink, some of the chalk on there. But you just keep wiping it until you have all the excess chalk gone. I'm going to stamp the stem and the leaf and color those in green and to finish my image. And now I pick up my green stylus and cover up my white craft inked image. And the craft ink is really, really good for this just because it absorbs the chalk. And again, I'm going to take my microfiber towel and wipe it off. And that is how you do a chalkboard technique. Let me show you a finished project that I have done with this. And that's how I've made a card using the chalkboard technique.